Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Walmart Plus. So let's get started right away. Now, if you already have signed up for your Walmart Plus access, then you can simply tap on the Walmart application to open it up. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and use your email address and your password, and you will be logged in and taken into the shop page directly. Now, from this page, you can start making your purchases right away. And if you had already subscribed before to Walmart Plus, then you will be logged in to your account right away. However, if you have still yet to sign up, then tap on the account option at the bottom right corner and then scroll down until you see subscription and plans. Tap on Walmart Plus, and now you will either see the claim your free 30-day trial option or the sign in option. You can tap on either one of these options, and if you are asked to choose your plan, then choose one from the available options and then proceed forward with your payment method. Once you tap on I agree checkbox and then tap on start your free 30-day trial, you will be signed in to your Walmart Plus account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Walmart Plus account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.